Good morning, Prep 4. This video is for your maths lesson on Friday for this week. And today we're looking at sorting quadrilaterals. So we looked at the angles within quadrilaterals yesterday, and today we're looking at sorting them. So to start us off, we've got two quadrilaterals here, parallelogram and a trapezium. And the question you're being asked is, what is the same and what is different about these quadrilaterals? So have a look at them, maybe pause for a moment and see if you can find any similarities and any differences. So similarities, both have a pair of sides the same distance away from each other, like train tracks. Now remember, we call these parallel lines. So lines that will never ever get closer together, never ever get further away. They stay a consistent amount of space, distance apart. So for a trapezium, these are the parallel lines. For the parallelogram, we've got a set of parallel lines here. We also have a set of parallel lines here, hence the name parallelogram, made up of parallel lines. So that's a similarity. The difference is that this quadrilateral has two sets of parallel lines, like I've just said, making it a parallelogram, and the trapezium has one set of parallel lines, and therefore the others, those are not parallel lines. It's a trapezium. You might have found some other similarities and differences, maybe related to angles from our work from yesterday. But that is looking at two quadrilaterals and sorting them into a specific way. Second one, we've got three different quadrilaterals here. Same thing again, have a look at them. What is the same about these and what is different? Try and avoid using things such as, oh, they have four sides. Yes, that's a similarity. Today's lesson is all about quadrilaterals, so it's looking for other similarities. So the first two each have four equal sides, where the sides are all of the same length. And the first also has four right angles. That's a difference. So that one has four right angles. And because it has four sides of equal length makes it a square. The rhombus has four equal sides, and the final one has four right angles, but not all the sides are of equal length. So you can see there are some similarities and differences here. Now, you are going to be looking at sorting quadrilaterals using a Venn diagram, which is where we've got two circles overlapping in today's lesson. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quadrilaterals to get you started. Just have a think about where these quadrilaterals would sit in this Venn diagram. This circle is for any quadrilaterals which don't have any right angles. This circle is for any quadrilaterals which have two lines of symmetry. So the middle section are any quadrilaterals with two lines of symmetry and no right angles. And then the space outside, don't forget that's still part of the Venn diagram, is for any quadrilaterals which don't fit anywhere else. Have a quick go at that. Pause this for a second. I hold this up like this, or you might have it on the learning reminders on the attachment, and then I will show you the answers. So, well done if you said something like that. Now, you're going to be using Venn diagrams in the main part of the lesson, and it's one sheet for everybody today. I would recommend drawing out your Venn diagrams, usually drawing around a bowl or a plate or something like that, to create your circles is quite a good way. It does say you can cut these out if you are able to print the sheets. If not, just draw the quadrilaterals. You can quite clearly see what they look like. So you've got two Venn diagrams that you need to sort these shapes into. The first has all sides are the same length and four right angles. Those are the sorting points. The second has at least one pair of parallel lines and is symmetrical. All right. And then your challenge is find your own way, find your own different bits here to sort the quadrilaterals. You could even create a three-hooped Venn diagram, which would look something like this, yours would obviously be neater and you've got lots of overlapping. So this part in the middle here would be any quadrilaterals which would fit into all 3 sections. Have a go at that, and there's some answers for you to self-mark. If you're finding it a bit tricky, there's a who am I, a bit stuck section where we've got 5 quadrilaterals, and using the clues you've got to guess which ones they are. And then there's a check your understanding question involving some sketching as well to end the lesson. I hope you enjoy.